Hello everyone, this is a 2018 Chevy Traverse Premier. It is a rebuilt title. It had some front end damage. As you can see, we've taken care of everything. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage. It's found on Carfax. So at any rate, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about the vehicle. However, I did notice that there are a few little scrapes on that headlight that are noticeable to me, so I thought you'd like to know about them. There are the wheels. Traverse branding. This does have the LED headlights. In the camera they look like they're flickering, but for the human eye they don't flicker. Plenty of cargo space. This third row folds down for additional cargo space. In order to put down this door, all that you do is push the button. Let the automation do the rest. It is dual exhaust. There are the wheels. A lot of space in here in the second row. The second row has their own set of controls and power supplies. There's the third row, all wrapped in leather as well as the first and second rows. We open the driver's side door. Here are the window controls, and you also have mirror controls, your presets for your seat, and also your release. This is your release for your back door as well if you wanted to pop up from here. There's the VIN. There are your controls for your driver's seat, manual controls. It is an automatic. There's your hood release, your lights, your steering wheel. I'll tell you more about when I hop in. There's a hot day, so I have seat cooling on. I've got fans going to cool me down. As you can see, the climate control is also controlled up here, and then you also have the one in the back. So this is your stereo. You can go from your audio to your phone, which is obviously not connected right now. You have your navigation, your texting, and this vehicle actually has really cool cameras. You got your backup camera and your 360 also. And then your backup mirror isn't actually a mirror, it is your additional camera. Very cool. It is equipped to work with OnStar if you want to use that. If you want to turn your door sensors off, and if you want to use your home buttons up there. It does have a push button start right here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn that off and then back on again for you so that you can see what happens upon startup. It has 22,633 miles on it. Let's go ahead and show you what the stereo does when you restart it. It just came right up with the sat nav. Let's see, so we'll come over here. And this tells us our temperature and all that kind of fun stuff. All leather, heated and cooled seats. All right, let's go ahead and hop out and listen to how it sounds. is our 2018 Chevrolet Traverse Premier 4-door wagon, sport utility, 3.6 liter V6, 24 valve engine. Thank you very much, and for additional inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.